We have returned to Oakdale Nature Preserve. It is greener now.
I would climb that
so many things on my shoulders right now.
The video from last time is like all brown. Everything is brown. Oh, yep, there will be stopping and sniffing. I'm just gonna come up here to where that map is. I think there's a map.
Yeah.
Oh my God, the peepers are so loud.
Hi.
Hello.
Good dog. Oh, thank you. Oh, looks so fluffy.
Oh, is the basement up there?
Somewhere, yeah.
It's over there? Okay.
They usually piled wood chips up there near.
Yeah, I think it is.
That's not.
So I think I see the cement basement or stairs.
I love that. I think this time we should stay on the path.
But if we go off the path, we can see the stairs.
That's the only exception.
Oh, look, it's green.
You might want to stay on well-maintained trails.
We don't want to go on that one.
Yeah.
Moist area.
That's a little moist.
On the path, we can get more of the places.
Oh yeah, we could maybe hit some of the things that we didn't hit last time.
Yeah, we're gonna see.
Have you seen the video of the, I want to say it's a leopard seal biting the tail of like a much bigger seal? Sneaks up on him, bites his tail, and then giggles.
I don't think I have.
Oh, I'll have to try to find it. It's kind of funny.
Interestingly, Dog of Wisdom,
Yeah, there's.
but no peepers up here at all. I know, there's part 3.
Yeah.
They might need shallower. This might be too deep for them. This isn't like deep, but
Dog of Wisdom.
the dog of wisdom.
That wasn't even the dog of wisdom.
It does make those sounds though. I want to reach over and grab one of those forbidden corn dogs.
If you turn on the thing where you shoot through the machine, and then just do this, you can shoot from.
Ooh, yeah. That might be a nice picture over there. I put it on autofocus. I use autofocus that's what works best for me. Now there are times when I use manual. Yes, to each their own. I use, geese. I use manual for macro photos. She says, I want to make friends.
Yeah.
Let me make friends. Oh no, wait, those might be swans.
Not barked once.
What they're.
Not a single bark.
Maybe there's one.
Yeah.
I initially thought they were swans, but then I thought maybe they weren't swans because they don't have their heads up, but they might be like just tucked in.
They're either tucked in and sleeping, or they're fishing.
Fishing, but they don't look like they have butt up. It's hilarious to see swans do the butt up fishing thing. I see no necks either. I'm like, are they piles of garbage? Are they buoys? Are they? Oh nope, I see a head over on that one.
It's not bald anymore.
See,
What?
pay attention. She was gonna use the bathroom.
Was she squatting?
Yeah.
Oh, sorry.
Swans.
I didn't tug her or anything.
Are they?
She just
Yes.
decided to abort, I guess.
Maybe there's just one in the buoys.
One swan hiding in the buoys.
More over there. Along the shoreline.
It's swan migratory season, so.
It's swan migratory season. Thing!
Thing! There's a thing! Oh my goodness, I was beginning to worry that there weren't any on this side.
It's down.
Oh, you pull down. Oh, okay, sorry.
Yeah.
Is that harder?
Yeah. It's way harder.
Fitness station number 1.
Found the first.
If you want to stand, you should use the one that Val is
Yeah,
at.
use this one instead. Alright, we'll do.
That man sounds like Squidward. Is this one also down?
Yeah.
Not jumping, just using your strength.
So.
All right. And then we got a balance board.
Check this.
It's a very short balance beam board thing.
Okay, but check this.
Whoa.
Okay, but check this.
Okay, how about you try to get a little fancier? Oui.
No.
Oui.
You want me to get fancy?
Oui.
Alright.
What?
You want me to get fancy?
The little bow really sold it. Thank you. A little curtsy.
Okay.
I'm gonna cook with this one.
Nice.
Photogenic, but it's the person that takes the photos that makes every single photo.
That's just a really good photographer.
Yeah.
Galooming
It's
up.
supposed to turn in like between now and tomorrow. It's supposed to actually get rainy and a little cooler.
Ah,
And then by Friday afternoon, it'll start to rebound. So that
Okay.
Saturday and Sunday are going to be.
I'm
kinda like-
going for a hike with Jennifer on Friday at some point.
Yeah, it'll be a little moist.
Yeah,
Right in here.
Open top.
little bits of rain
Right.
coming in.
Open golf tank.
What are we gonna do for dinner?
Here. I need to make you a beverage, right?
Oh yeah, we don't have 7-Up. We were gonna pick something up, Sprite or 7-Up, like when we went to Target and we forgot.
We can grab something on the way home if you really want to.
Yep. I was thinking of making bran muffins and pudding. Those could be dinner and dessert.
Okay. And, you know, I'm not arguing with that.
Rainbow needed to get a bit of swinging in. The swings are not quite wet yet. We will not leave without you. We'll pull up the car over here. All right, so smells like petrichor and I'm getting pelted with a lot of rain. Drops.
Way down. Now we're right about here.
Hi, see you got to swing. We accommodated your need. Meow meow. All right, home for bran muffins.